I'm gonna make a nice big salad with radish, avocado, and asparagus. We're gonna dial it up a little bit with the dressing I like to call my walnut dressing. Starting in a little food processor, a little shallot.
We're gonna have some protein and omegas in
Boom.
this salad
Omega
as well.
trees, 4s and 5s. A little garlic, 1 clove of garlic, lightly smashed, just to give it a head start.
And Katie, fiber alert on the radishes or anything?
Fiber alert.
Uh-oh. We're gonna get these, again, heavily. I'm not mixing everything together. We'll put in our liquids in a minute, because I want some texture in this dressing, if you
I'm
will.
really excited about this dressing.
That's it. You see that kind of almost like the beginnings of a nut butter without all the oil and everything for a little sweetness to pair well with those peppery radishes, a little bit of honey.
Don't y'all feel like radishes don't get enough love?
They don't. Zero.
We're gonna add a little acid, sherry wine vinegar.
Oh, yes.
Oh, now you're talking.
Yeah, a little salt from the Mediterranean and some pepper from Cleveland. And a little bit of olive oil from Zakarian Farms. It's gonna hit that up a little bit.
I smell those shallots.
Right, just a little bit, like a little bit of shallots, because no two shallots are like the same size, right? Once you get going, lovely, and that's it. Just kind of almost creamy, but still
almost
chunky.
A pesto.
Almost, yes, exactly, Jeffrey. That's kind of what I was going for.
This dressing.
And now we got our blanched, shocked, and drained. I know Jeffrey has not been a proponent of shocking the vegetables.
No,
but
green vegetables.
Green vegetables like that are super tender like this will overcook. I shock them, drain them well though, so there's no residual water in there. I got our radishes. We're just gonna dump that in here.
Oh.
Just when you cut your radish, I do like, you can eat the greens of these radishes. They're very, very peppery too, delicious in a salad. I like to keep a little of that green top and cut them lengthwise like that so you know you're getting a peak season, beautifully colored, fun little kind of cut of radish with that little guy still on there.
So cute.
Hey, how you doing? All right, so we're gonna finish dressing that. I got an avocado just for some, I don't know, I love avocado in salads. It's always like a little...
avocado in the salad. This is controversial.
Okay.
I always put it in after it's tossed at the end, so it doesn't go mushed up.
That's what I'm not even putting it in the bowl, Jeffrey. I'm gonna put it on top. This guy! Lame stain. Here we go. I always like to cut the little tip off, and I like to peel my avocados. Just gives a little pocket to peel.
I think it's satisfying.
And now we got from my upcycled vertical garden, still ticking over there, tarragons.
Boom.
Oh.
Bold.
And now we got that beautiful dressing that we are going to put all of it in there. You can leave this in your fridge. I like it fresh. I think just vibrant, fresh, and still a little crunchy from those.
You could probably take out any crunchy vegetable you have in your fridge with this dressing, and you'll be happy, right?
Yep. Isn't it fun? And it's like, I don't know, it's a salad, but it's also spoonable in a way, right? You get a little...
I think this would be great with a piece of grilled salmon.
I'm gonna put that in there. Just like that,
I can't
we
wait
got
to
that
try
fresh...
this walnut dressing. I'm just so into it.
And I just want to get this a nice K2 type peak here. Try to get it high up.
I can smell that from here. The radishes. I smell the shallots too.
Oh, I'm so into this.
Ooh.
I feel like you could add a grain to this salad too. You could do like a quinoa or a farro with it.
Just a bed of that underneath. Lentils.
You don't muck up the avocado in the salad.
Never,
Especially when
jamais.
there's
That's a
heartier
big
things
mistake.
in there. Always get it on top.
I didn't realize you two were so serious about the
I'm gonna have to applaud this salad.
I love it.
You're breaking my chops about, are you making a radish sandwich? No, I made the accompaniment to a great radish sandwich, which is a great radish salad. But look how pretty that is.
I feel like this is a vegetarian salad, and that fanned avocado kind of mimicks a chicken breast.
There you
So
go.
it's like a vegetarian meaty.
Jeff, you took like all the avocado on yours.
Yeah. I know, right? Super radish forward, right? There's not a lot competing in this salad with the radish. So you're getting that peppery, you know, tingle of the nose heap, creamed out by that avocado and that walnut dressing. I swear, you make this, how easy was that? You are gonna put it on everything this spring.